I like it and I love me. We would train in Compton and we would go to these, parks, and there's usually only white people that play tennis, So I think for probably as long as I can remember, I've always been able to relate that I am black, I am different, because of what I do. They always wanted us to be proud of who we are and who we were. Well, a lot of black people, unfortunately, especially growing up, they are discouraged, or like, you don't look good, or your hair is not pretty, or your skin's too dark, or your lips are too big. Not anymore. Yeah. But but back in the day, something that my dad always did with us was he always said, you have to know your history, and if you know your past, you can have a great future. Watching like a lot of those, like especially slave movies that they had, and Roots and stuff like that, it was like, you become proud. You see all the stuff that your people went through, so you have an opportunity, to be here. Like that poem that Maya Angelou said, that, we are the hope and the dream of a slave. Yeah. Can you imagine? Like those words that she said are honestly so powerful. Yeah. Like if you think about what the slave had to go through, and then the life that we are privileged to live, I wouldn't want it to be any other color.